Today I'm gonna show you my 2017 setup. Yeah, let's get it.
What the fuck is up, everybody?
Let's go to the front, you know. I got Coke Faith grips, Eclat Ashley handlebars. It's 8.6 stem. I got Mission stem. The Shadow Conspiracy headset, looking fresh and clean, you know. The fork, I got Shadow Conspiracy Voltus fork, lightest shit, strongest shit, all that. Front wheel, I got Rand alloy front wheel, spinning, so fuck it. The tires, in front I got Chase the Hard 2.35, and in the back I got Chase the Hard 2.25. Squeaky as shit, you know, that's how y'all like it. The pegs, I got two pegs, two Primo pegs in the front, and I got no pegs in the back. Y'all gonna ask me why I don't have a pegs in the back? Cause this nigga stole them.
Bruh.
The frame, the most important thing in the bike is the frame. And I got Cool OS frame, 20.5. Looking fresh, looking good, strong so far. The seat is a dual black booty seat. Look at this bitch. It's soft as my baby mama's booty, bro. Leather, all that, you know. The Priority pivotal seat post. I like it. It's long. It's black.
Bruh.
It's black, man.
What the fuck
Alright,
is
bro. Nah, bro. Delete that shit. Fuck it. Cranks. I got rank cranks. You know, spinning. So fuck it. The pedals. I got goddamn the Odyssey BC pedals. Fucks with them. The bottom bracket. I got the thick bottom bracket. You know, it's good. I like it. Back wheel is Primo free coaster wheel. It's called Pro Wheel because it got two hub guards there, and you know, one hub guard here, one hub guard here. Shout out to Primo, bro. That's my favorite brand. Fucking, I think that's pretty much it. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Mercury BMX, Nico Films.
You know, that's pretty much it.